Are you sitting on a significant amount of money in your savings and you want to invest it, but you aren't really sure how to invest it? This is a lot of people's problems. In fact, people I know personally, where they have a good chunk of money and they're like very scared, they're very risk adverse, and they're like, I just don't know where to put it. I worked hard for my money. I don't know where to put it. Well, here I'll give you a very simple solution that it has it's backed by historical data. Uh, it's not sexy, it's not fun, it's very simple and effective, which is why you'll get people not wanting to do it because they think that it's almost like too simple to work, which things that are effective generally do. And that solution is you invest your money into broad market ETFs and or index funds. For example, if you had $1 million that you saved in your business and you wanted to get a reasonable return on that money because it's just sitting in an investment account getting a suboptimal return, you could invest it in ticker symbol VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. You could invest your $1 million into ticker symbol VOO and let it literally sit there, and as you would if it were in a savings account, and let it sit there and don't look at it, don't pay attention to it. With the, you invested into ticker symbol VOO with the intention of just leaving it there for as long as possible. You don't have to look at it, you don't have to check on it. All right, unless you need that money and you have to withdraw money, forget about it. Literally ignore it, pretend you didn't make the investment, and come back in 10 years and your $1 million, your $1 million might be $1.5 million possibly. It could be more than that. It could be less than that, but you're going to get a nominal return on your money. And it's like the cool thing is you didn't have to do anything. It's basically like a savings account, an incredibly high yield savings account. Of course, the market fluctuates. There's no doubt about it. But historically, from what we've seen over long periods of time, the market tends to go up in value. I mean, we have data, 100 years worth of data on the S&P 500. So we have a pretty good idea of how it operates. Again, that's not to say that past returns guarantee future returns, but if returns are similar and maybe even a little bit less than they've been with like the 9 to 10% average return per year, you're looking at a pretty good return on your investment. Now, you might be wondering, well, why don't more people do this? Because people are not patient. People can't stop checking their account. Market fluctuations happen and people freak out. Oh no, like VOO is down, ticker symbol VOO is down 25%. I'm scared. I'm pulling my money out. Like I'm going to lose all my money. Like, no, that's why I say just ignore your investment. Just put your money there. You know who the most successful investors are? The people that forgot their password and can't get into their account, and people that are dead, because those two people aren't going to mess with their investments. People's biggest problem in general with investing is people are way too in and out of their investments. They want to buy and sell, buy and sell. That is not how you build wealth. Sure, you have a handful of people that can buy and sell and make a considerable return, basically day trading or swing trading. It happens. I'm not going to lie and say some people can't get away with that, but you can't. The vast majority of people can't. So what I'm saying is take your $1 million in the bank, invest it into ticker symbol VOO, let it sit for 10, 20, 30 years, as long as you possibly can. When you come back to it, you're going to be a happy person. And this could work with, obviously, $1 million is the nice round number I use because I want to have $1 million. But this could work with $5,000, $10,000, any amount of money. The real important thing is that you start, is that you take action and you start. And once you take action and start, and you actually get in the market, and you're investing and you're seeing your money, whether it's going up or down, you're going to want to do more, especially if you start seeing your money go up a little bit. Even if it goes up 2%, you're going to want to put more money in the market and more money. And that's how you really compound your return and build a huge amount of wealth, is you put that $1 million in, or let's okay, $1 million kind of, most of us don't have that lying around. Let's say you put $10,000 in the market. That's your principal investment. And then you say, well, I'm going to try to invest, $500 a month. I'm going to shoot for that. That's my target. $500 a month is $6,000 a year, which is pretty good. So if you could do that for 10 years, you've invested $60,000 plus your 10% principal. That's 70 grand. Like, you're on your way. So not like once you get bitten by the investing bug, you're gonna want to do more. Instead of wasting your money on frivolous things, you're gonna think, well, I could buy this, or I could put money in the market. So I guess my big point is, if you're sitting on a good chunk of change, invest it into the market, and once you do, you'll likely want to put more and more money in the market, and that's really how you build wealth right there. So anyways, I am Max with Stock Masters. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial professional. I've done a ton of research, I've read a ton of books, but I am in no way a financial advisor, a stockbroker, you know. So take this advice obviously with a grain of salt. But I do recommend you read J.L. Collins' book, The Simple Path to Wealth. This is exactly what he's going to tell you. Google search Warren Buffett S&P 500. You'll hear Warren Buffett talk about it. Warren Buffett said, when I die, put all of my money in the S&P 500. Like, Warren has seen the results over the years. So the results speak for themselves. Look up the historical data of the S&P 500. Just say S&P 500, historical data. It'll give you the return every year. So don't take my word for it. Look into it. And honestly say, I'm going to spend 5 minutes researching what this random dude just talked about on the internet. And I guarantee all of your findings are going to support what I've just said. So, I'll put my name on that one. So anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, tune in for more. I'm going to try to start putting out some short videos. So thanks. Later.